Alright guys, a quick review for this little device, the Underdesk headphone mount. Just got this, both myself and my son use this PC here for gaming and editing and so on. He has his set of headphones which are constantly just kind of lying on the desk, and I have a new set of headphones coming for myself. So we've kind of got two that need to be nice and tidied away from the place instead of lying on the desk at all kind of times. So I just picked up this the Anker Underdesk headphone mount. I'll link to it below in the video description. If you do decide to go ahead and buy it, I am an Amazon affiliate, so I will get a little kind of commission for support. But I just wanted to kind of show you this and kind of see first impressions and so on. This is what I wanted to do, just kind of get everything nice and neat. Basically it comes just in this little box. You can see the visual here. This is the device here, if you could call it a device. So it's it says Elevation Lab on it. It's kind of like a very, very soft touch rubber, kind of bendy as you can see, but pretty firm. And it's just double-sided, or not double-sided, well I suppose it's double-sided, but it's just got an adhesive top on here. So all you have to do is literally peel this off like so, choose your spot under the desk, which I'll show you now, and pop the adhesive on. So all right, so this is it here. As you can see, just sticky top. This is our messy desk. I've also got a load of cable ties coming to get all that taken care of as well. So here's the headphones. I don't know where to put it actually, whether to put it in kind of here, probably get banged about, or over here a little bit. I think maybe in here. We do it in here. So you can see here, I'll put it right up at the edge there and just press up. Like so. So you can see it does have a little bit of give, which is probably not a bad thing. And then the headphones will just kind of hang on under there, and then my second set will hopefully just hook on there and we'll be all good. So that's quite a nice little device. Obviously big space saver in terms of what has to sit up on the desk, because I've got enough stuff lying about here, so I've got to try and be more efficient, more minimalist, and cleaner looking. So that is the Anker Underdesk headphone mount. Looks pretty good to me. Let's see how the adhesive holds up. It looks pretty sticky, so we should be good with it. But let me know if you have any questions or queries about the device. And meantime, thanks for watching guys. Make sure you hit the like button, share out, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.